Hey, it's always either cold and flu season or allergy season around our house, and kids are nonstop having those runny nose, those coughs. Genexa is a brand I love. They sent me this pack for us to try. I love Genexa already because of their clean, no additive ingredients. They like give you basically what you need in the medicine without adding all the sugar and all the sweeteners and stuff to make the kids love it. These still taste great. The kids are fine with these. I do love Genexa. So this comes with a kids pack of the kids cough and chest congestion and the nighttime cough. I think the nighttime cough is more of a blueberry, organic blueberry flavor. And the cough and chest congestion is also blueberry flavor as well. But it's made with clean ingredients. So I feel like these are so good for the kids. The nighttime one is for 6 and up, it says. And then the cough and chest congestion for the daytime is 4 to 11. These are just good things to keep on hand in your pantry because, I mean, if you're like me, if you have kids, you know, it pops up out of nowhere when you're ready to go somewhere and we got the runny nose, or in the middle of the night, the kids are coughing. You want to have this stuff in your medicine cabinet to have. But these are great. You do want to shake them well before giving, because they are the more natural ingredients. So shake it up really good before you give it. But these are great. Keep them in your pantry or your medicine cabinet, not your pantry, for when you need them.